6 in the morning. The workers are here for once on time. Nissa's still asleep, but I'm gonna get to plant in this greenhouse. So this is gonna be the back, and it's gonna continue from there. But it's gonna come all the way out to here and come all the way down. Put the tegu cage in there and be able to keep our animals warm that night. What's up, dude? Neck rubs. Neck rubs. You like your neck rubs? You like your neck rubs? Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Neck rubs. Oh, that's my finger. Got the grass. Come on. Let's run. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, good boy. Big Tortoise. Let's go get this boy some. So, I got my head back this morning. Let's see. Oh, Big Tortoise, come back. Big Tortoise. Come back, man. Come on. I got you, boy. Come on. Oh, no. What's this? How did you get tangled up in this? This is why I hate when people work with me, because they leave shit out like that I wouldn't have left out. Now we gotta wait for him to come out his shell so I can quickly untangle that. I turned him upside down and it's in his legs. So, look. Let's see. Let me open his leg. Oh, so cool. I don't want to cut him on this wire. So close though. So we'll spread it and I'll unhook it as soon as he comes out. Let's spread him back a bit. I need you to open that leg, dude. Go ahead and walk for me. Walk. Walk. Alright. I got it. Let's go get rid of this. Alright, my boy. Here you go. We just pulled this right off the fig tree. And they love it. They love it. Can't wait to start growing kale, spinach, good stuff like that. Let's get this out of here. Want some more? Yeah, you do. Alright, y'all. We're in the Reticulated enclosure. I'm gonna check this water temperature real quick, make sure it's cool. Oh yeah. So what I wanna do is spray his face and get a good look at it. He gonna be shedding soon. So I'm hoping it's not now, but. Oh, it looks better though, man. It does look way better. What I'm gonna do though is this is a new environment to him, me. You guys know the whole family is moved to the middle of nowhere. I'm not gonna stress him out too bad. He's a big boy though. He can handle me and my craziness. He's used to me by now. Alright, so I'm gonna get the bottom of his mouth. Whew. Alright, big boy. I need you to work with me. Woo! How good is my snake, guys? I know he loves me, but man, I gotta help him with this messed up mouth and head. And I'm so glad he's this work withable, because woo, I would not want to get tangled up by this guy. He'd kill me. Like, this snake would actually kill me if he got around my neck. All right, that was very successful. I didn't have to hold him down. And I'm gonna come out here and do that every morning until it's healed. Have a good day, big handsome man. And I'm gonna keep y'all updated on his progress, but I don't want him doing things like that. I can't really stop it. I might have to scoot this over a bit. I thought it'd be cool right here in the corner, but now that I'm seeing him go back there, that might mess up and take progress from us, you know, because snakes like squeezing in tight places. Oh man, look how beautiful this guy is though. I definitely think he loves it out here. What y'all think? His name is the big snake. That's it, that's all. We don't got another name for him yet. Let me take a picture. I love this thing. I'm going this motherfucking attic. Nasty as shit up here. People left all these damn clothes. It's probably all type of spiders. I need a blunt. Fuck you talking about, this shit dirty. Let me get these shorts and that hoodie and this. And I gotta get that and that. Okay. Got a full pack of bacon. Y'all know who this for. Get this turtle shell for the phone. Let nature take its course and let some animals eat the shell so that all the meat gone. But I don't think that worked too good, so I'm just bringing it back, rinse it out, and cut. The bugs are gonna start coming, so I gotta hurry up.